प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th का इंग्लिश का फाइनल पेपर विद आंसर की करेंगे। What does the passage suggest about dividing study time? Divide schedule into study and recreation hours. How should one sequence subjects for effective study as per the passage? Option is B. Save enjoyable subjects for last. Which technique is not mentioned in the passage? Multitasking heavily. What emotion should one avoid according to the passage? Option is B. Disheartenment. Study the given poster carefully and answer the questions that follow. The first question is, what is the likely goal of the green workshop? Right answer is B. Educating sustainable practices. What does the community cleanup on 17th October suggest? Right option is B. Encourages community environmental action. Looking at Eco-Fest, overall them, greening tomorrow today. What is the festival's likely emphasis? The right option is B. Sustainability and environmental consciousness. How does EcoFest cater? How does EcoFest cater to younger attendees? The right option is B. Through Kids Green Zone. Section B. Answer the following questions. Dash was sent to bring the two most precious things from the city. Angel. Which illustration was used by the professor of psychology? Answer is burning glass. What lives after death? Good deeds. Robert Gillian offered a dash to Miss Lotta L'Oreal. Robert Gillian offered a diamond pendant to Miss Lotta L'Oreal. Where did Suez reach while diving? At the other end of the pond. Where did Subhya's wife take the man to the secret godown? Answer any two questions after reading the following stanza. What does a truly happy man not care about? He does not care about worldly fame. He does not care about worldly fame. Which phrase indicates the person's detachment from worldly things? United unto the word with care. Does the person envy others? No, the person does not envy others. Do as direct. Choose the correct word from the bracket to fill in the blanks. She is an expert in dash. Dying. Use the following idiom in sentence. A cat and dog life. The husband and wife are leading a cat and dog life. Give one word for the following. To increase the gravity of situation. Answer is aggravate. Correct the following sentence. My son does not listen what I say. My son does not listen to what I say. 3 sentences for English to Punjabi and Hindi. He never lost his calm. उसने कदे अपनी शांति नहीं गवाई. Here science is actually doing less than nothing. ਇੱਥੇ ਵਿਗਿਆਨ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਘੱਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. The entire universe is one family. ਪੂਰਾ ਬ੍ਰਹਮੰਡ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਹੈ. One day Pathik lost his lesson book. ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਫਟਿਕ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਾਠ ਪੁਸਤਕ ਗਵਾ ਲਈ. We must be judicious mixture of both. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਿਆਂਯੁਕਤ ਮਿਸ਼ਰਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. 3 sentences ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਔਰ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਟੂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼। ਵੋਟਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ? ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਵੋਟ ਕਾਸਟ? ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਪਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਗਿਲਾਸ ਮੰਗਵਾਓ। ਆਸਕ ਫੋਰ ਗਲਾਸ ਆਫ ਵਾਟਰ ਫੋਰ ਮੀ। ਧੋਬੀ ਦਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਨਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਾ ਕਾਟਦਾ। ਅ ਰੋਲਿੰਗ ਸਟੋਨ ਗੈਦਰਸ ਨੋ ਮੋਸ। ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਟੀ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਹੈ। ਮਾਈ ਡੋਟਰ ਇਜ਼ ਐਪਲ ਆਫ ਮਾਈ ਆਈਜ਼। ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਬੂੰਦਾਬਾਂਦੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਇਟ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ ਡੈਜ਼ਲਿੰਗ ਸਿੰਸ ਮੋਰਨਿੰਗ। ਫਿਲ ਇਨ ਦ ਬਲੈਂਕਸ ਵਿਦ ਸੁਟੇਬਲ ਡਿਟਰਮੀਨਰ। ਪੰਡਿਤ ਜਵਾਹਰ ਲਾਲ ਨਹਿਰੂ was the first prime minister of the independent India. Suitable preposition. I went to take a round of his house and I saw a family photograph. Fill in the blank with correct modal. You must not enter my class. I forbid it. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. Even if you do not get success despite your repeated efforts, you should not lose heart. Rewrite the following sentence using non-infinitive verb. His hard working is too bad to read. Transform the following sentence using if or do not. If you do walk fast, you will miss the train. Change the voice in the following sentence. I should not be disturbed. Do not disturb me. Change the following sentence into the indirect form of narration. The teacher said to Krish, where do you live? The teacher asked Krish where he lived. Fill in the blank with suitable form of the verb given in bracket. He has been teaching in the school since 2002. Punctuate the following sentence. He bought apples, orange, peaches and bananas.